Frank Sinatra's Eggplant Parmigiana. Toilet paper. Taylor Swift's chocolate chunk cookies. Roker grilled salmon with maple ginger glaze. Alicia Silverstone's Radicchio pizza with truffle oil. Whoopi Goldberg's Big Bad Ass Beef Ribs. Whoopi Goldberg's Big Bad Ass Beef Ribs. Meg Ryan's Cranberry Almond Bread. Meg Ryan's Cranberry Almond Bread. Oprah Winfrey's Unfried Chicken. Oprah Winfrey's Unfried Chicken. Tom Cruise's Linguini with Zesty red clam sauce. Tom Cruise's Linguini with Zesty red clam sauce. Christina Hendricks's cornbread stuffing. Shaq O'Neal's macaroni and cheese. Shaq O'Neal's macaroni and cheese. Julia Roberts' fresh peach crisp. Julia Roberts' fresh peach crisp. William Shatner's cappuccino chip muffins. More William Shatner 402 of 1017 The best actors in film history 131 of 310 The coolest actors ever 176 of 904 Celebrity Death Pool 2021 Gwyneth Paltrow's Meatballs and Garlic Bread. Gwyneth Paltrow's Meatballs and Garlic Bread. Dean Martin's Burger and Bourbon. Dean Martin's Burger and Bourbon is more like a mantra, but one we completely approve of. Basically, you pour chilled bourbon in chilled shot glass and serve meat and bourbon on a teeny tray. Check out the full recipe here. More Dean Martin, the best Dean Martin albums of all time 246 of 1017 The best actors in film history 55 of 739 The best singers of all time. Jessica Alba's roast chicken. The creator of The Honest Company keeps her roast chicken fairly simple, but as with all things she does, she adds a little spice. For example, this recipe uses jalapeno pepper and paprika. More Jessica Alba 116 of 222 The best actresses working today 25 of 199 famous women you'd want to have a beer with 102 of 149 The all-time greatest action stars. Meryl Streep's heart-shaped cookies. More Meryl Streep, the best Meryl Streep movies. Which actress do you think will be the next Meryl Streep? 42 of 269, the most trustworthy celebrities in the world.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.